If you're someone that doesn't feel comfortable showing your face on camera, or you simply prefer to say behind the scenes, this video is for you. Hi and welcome back to day 38 of 100 social media tips. In this video, we are going to talk about faceless content. People might have said that you have to put your face in front of the camera to create engaging content, but the truth is you can create compelling and engaging content without ever showing your face. Faceless content is a great option for those of you who may not feel comfortable putting your face in front of the camera. And let me tell you, you're not alone. There are countless successful small business and even the largest and biggest brands out there that excel in creating faceless content. Whether you're a small business owner or an influencer, everyone wants to connect with their audience and offer them value. Faceless content allows you to still do that without the need to reveal your identity or personal appearance. Let's dive into how you can create faceless content for your brand or business. The first thing to remember is that content is about value, and you don't need to show your face to create content that is valuable. Think about the knowledge and unique perspective you can offer. Are you an expert in a particular field? Do you have a unique approach to solving problems or offering solutions? All these can be shared without showing your face. Next, focus on the quality of your content. You don't need to show your face, but you do need to ensure that your content is still well produced, visually engaging, and if you're adding a voiceover, make sure that the audio is clear. The beauty of faceless content is its flexibility. You can experiment with different formats such as blog posts or even infographics or voiceovers. For example, if you're providing educational content, you can use animation or whiteboard drawings to explain different concepts. If you're an artist, you can share your process of creating a piece of art. Or if you're in the fashion industry, you can create outfit combinations on a mannequin or just flat lays. Another great way to create faceless content is through storytelling. The power of storytelling lies in your ability to create emotional connections, and this can be achieved without revealing your face. You can share stories about your brand and your business, your products, or your customers. For example, a day in the life through POV shots and simple text on screen, or even adding voiceover content, talking about what you experience or anything interesting that happened throughout your day. Or you can talk about your story to inspire people and showcase what you have been working on, how your product or service has helped people, and showcasing any customer experiences. These stories can be incredibly engaging and can still help your audience connect with your brand on a deeper level. You can also leverage user-generated content or UGC. User-generated content can be a powerful tool for building trust and authenticity, as it showcases real experiences and opinions from your audience. Encourage your customers or followers to share their own experiences with your brand or products. This not only provides you with additional content, but also builds a sense of community and connection among your followers. When you're creating faceless content, it doesn't mean you have to completely remove yourself from your brand or business. You can still inject your personality and values into your content, even if your face isn't shown. This can be done through your writing style, your choice of visuals, and even the topics you choose to cover. Your personal touch can make your content unique and relatable, even if you choose to stay behind the scenes. If you decided to stay away from the camera, don't forget about the importance of a strong and recognizable brand identity. Your brand should still have a defining and consistent style that sets it apart. This could be reflected in your style of editing, your tone of voice, or even how you tell your stories. This way, your audience will still be able to identify and connect with your brand, even without a face to associate with it. In the end, creating faceless content is all about finding ways to connect with your audience on a deeper level without the need for personal exposure. You can still connect with your audience, provide valuable content, and build a strong online presence, all without needing to show your face. Whether it's through engaging narratives, helpful information, or unique visuals, the possibilities are endless. Remember, your audience is following you for your content, not necessarily for your face. They value the knowledge and expertise that you share, the problems you solve, and the innovative ideas you bring. So don't be discouraged if you prefer to stay behind the camera. With the right strategy, you can still create powerful and impactful content that resonates with your audience. With so many options and formats available, you can experiment and find what works best for you and your brand. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at the results. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next video.